राजा मौली साहब, आप इतने खामोश क्यों हो? प्लीज कुछ कहिए ना आप.
Okay, sir. The moment I came here to ask you to be the chief guest of our event, people started asking me, when are you going to direct Salman Bhai? I mean, whenever it will happen, but I want to take this moment to direct you now and here itself, sir.
अरे lovely, lovely.
वार्निंग यू सर.
हाँ, you got to take.
इनका वो जो परफेक्शन का कीड़ा है सर, वो अभी बहुत बड़ा हो चुका है. आई वांट यू सर, बट स्टिल
सर ये सीन यही सैटरडे को आना चाहिए, नॉट आफ्टर 2 years.
No, I'll do it very fast. Very fast.
No, sir, they give you trouble. I'll do it very fast. Don't worry.
Yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. They're kids. They don't know.
Yeah.
फाइन सर, लेट्स सी.
Yeah.
So can I take over, sir?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay. So I want Alia to do the coverage for me as the cameraman.
So she's the DOP now.
Yeah, she's the DOP.
Okay.
So, sir, I want you to be here.
Yes, sir.
I want both of you to come here.
Oh, there.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Tarak on this side. Charan is that side. No. Sorry.
No, sir.
Sharon,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, correct. This
Okay.
way. So, I want you to do like Rajni sir. So, I have this scene written for him very long back. So, I wanted to do exactly like that. In this film of mine, Big Boss film of mine, I'm making these two guys as villains, sir. You are the
You're
hero.
not going to have any bashing up scenes and all that.
I don't want to be bashed up.
I don't want to be bashed up by him. No way.
All cool, all cool.
Yeah.
So they are coming here and threatening you with a gun, sir. So you
Where's
being
the gun?
Rajni, sir.
Where's the gun?
Imagine.
Imagine CG man. How many days we work, we don't know.
So how do you want me to hold it, like this or like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just
So
give
that's
enough
a
space for the gun to
Small
get
gun,
inside.
not a AK-47.
Yeah, just a revolver. Okay. So you are in this position, sir.
Yes.
You will have a cigar Rajni sir
Okay,
style.
yeah.
So they come and threaten you. I'm going to shoot you. Sir,
Okay.
You give a laugh like Rajni sir, sir.
Okay.
And put it in your mouth, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And then they shoot you.
Okay, both of us.
Yes.
Okay.
You give the gun to him.
Okay, I know. You want me to give it or
Yes,
you're...
throw the gun to him.
Okay, I threw the gun to him.
He catches it.
Okay.
Give him your shoulder for him to fire.
You want me to take a round and give?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Now we have a round, sir. ये पूरा नहीं होगा, sir. Short.
आसान सी है.
So I gave the gun to him.
He caught it.
I got it.
Okay, then I turn like this and
Turn
get
it,
my shoulder.
Raise the gun
Yeah.
and
Wow.
shoot, sir. The
Okay.
moment he shoots it,
Okay.
I want you to swing like this, sir.
Yes, sir. Don't worry, sir. I got it, sir.
And the bullet comes
Yes,
here.
yeah.
Just
Lights
touches
a
the
cigar.
Yes. Got it, sir.
That's it. I got it, sir.
Alia, I want you to cover these guys from this position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, a little bit back. I don't want you to cover the hero, please. Yeah, and as the bullet is passing, you pan the camera and
Yeah.
catch him. And you move slightly this way.
Sir, I like your DOP.
Yes, sir. Get the prop.
The cigar.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes, sir.
So,
So the moment he says, I'm going to put you, laugh and put the cigarette in
Okay.
your mouth, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's go for take.
So not to cover sir in the beginning when he puts
No,
the
no.
cigarette in his mouth?
It's a wide angle lens.
It's a wide
Please
angle.
do as I say. You don't ask me too many questions,
I'm
okay?
sorry, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay,
Ready,
ready?
sir.
Clap in. Sound. Camera. Action.
मैं आपको जिंदा नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
Cut. One more. How many times I have to tell you, please?
Sir.
Let the cigar go into his mouth
And then-
you shoot.
I'm not shooting. He's shooting. So you should tell him
once
that.
sir puts a cigar, then you give me the guy.
Yeah.
Ready, sir?
Ready. Clap in. Camera. Action.
मैं आपको जिंदा नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
Wait, don't throw the gun.
Cut. One more. I'll take a separate cut.
Okay, from the cigar?
No, sir. You have the cigarette already in your mouth.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give you the cue, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, perfect. We'll take it from there. In action, you give the gun. Clap in, camera, and action. Cut. Everything is perfect, sir.
बाल
थोड़ा
तो बाल बाहर आ गया यस यस मेकअप
सर
Makeup.
सर वो बिग बॉस का आंख कैसा लग रहा है आपको पीछे रेडी सर
वन मोर
रेडी
कैमरा
सर ये होने
Rolling.
वाली नहीं है
एंड
ये होगा सर
कट
I made 5 turns sir
Yes, sir.
Before the
But your foot is like
like
this,
that.
sir.
You want
It has
foot?
to be like that, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
no,
5
half,
inches
sir.
like
हाँ एक चेयर
Yes, sir.
मिलेगा
Correct.
मेरे को बिस्तर चाहिए सर
ready sir
Clap
Ready?
in. Camera.
Rolling, sir.
Action. Cut.
सर
Yeah, yours is perfect, sir. How many times I have to tell you? You have to go exactly when he's keeping in the
Yeah.
mouth.
Sir, अब नहीं-
exactly the same time. One
When
more,
he's
sir.
keeping in the mouth? I don't understand, sir.
भाई चेयर नहीं मिलेगा चेयर नहीं मिलेगा तो टैक्सी मिलेगी क्या
So, not when you turn,
Yeah.
when you do this.
when your weight comes here hit it good
Yes.
so
But sir, I can't see the bullet.
You have to imagine. It's a CG bullet. You have to imagine.
प्लीज आर्या अगर आप समझ so many times
Can you
try
say-
करते हैं
can
सर
you
मैंने
say-
बोला आपको नहीं
Can you say track?
Camera.
not on us directly
And
Rolling.
Action.
Why are you sitting?
action.
no no oh so sorry get up
Cut.
One
One more. Ready? Take.
give the gun sorry
Yes.
yeah
You do the same. You do the same.
yeah ready sir ready sir
Camera. And action. Track in.
cut
The cigarette went this way, sir. It should go this way.
okay, okay. I got sir
Ready. One more.
important point
Ready? Clap
ये
in.
एपिसोड कब टेलीकास्ट होने वाली है नहीं होगा सर you will not
Ready. Take 101. Roll camera.
Rolling.
And action.
fantastic shot
Everything is perfect, sir. The bullet traveling, everything is perfect. I'll replace you in CG, sir.
okay sir thank you sir you take Rajni Garu no
Yes,
thank
yes,
you
sir.
sir
Thank
thank you sir
Thank you,
sir replace me with Rajni Garu there's nothing better
sir I told you this is why
you know when you started the film after that I finished 7 films
my younger one was born when we just before we started this so he's going to his kindergarten sir
oh I thought he's college में अभी
नहीं वो तो बड़ा जाएगा
मैं आप लोगों को एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ
Sir.
जब बिग बॉस तेलुगु लॉन्च हुआ था तो पता है उनका पहला होस्ट कौन था ये एवरी वीक लोनावला आते थे होस्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट होस्ट ऑफ तेलुगु वाज तारक
Sir, it was one season I did. और पता नहीं क्या हुआ सर I couldn't continue but यहाँ 12 सीजन से आप कर रहे हैं आप होस्ट कर रहे हैं
सर बिकॉज दे
सर ये बिग बॉस नहीं है ये बस बिग भाई का है this show has got nothing but your name written etched all over this
थैंक यू
you are the only host who has put Big Boss इस मंच पे Big Boss वो जो बड़ा सा वो है ना सर वो उसका एनिग्मा ऑरा it is only because of you and nobody can do it.
तुम ही लोग मेरी कदर नहीं करते इज्जत करते हो हाँ? ये देखो बिग बॉस
I want you to welcome the welcome I used to give in Telugu.
ओके डन
Very simple, sir.
Yeah.
ఎందరో మహానుభావులు
ఎందరో
మహానుభావులు
మహానుభావులు
అందరికీ వందనాలు
అందరికీ
వందనాలు
అందరికీ వందనాలు
Very nice.
अंदर की से याद आया कि घर के अंदर जाना है
would love to
आ
sir.
जाओ कम लेट्स गो या